Hello friends, Mr. Sadie here. Doing a little side job this weekend and thought I'd kind of show you what I'm up to. I don't know why, I find this stuff interesting. Maybe a couple of y'all will too. I know my friend Cyber is always involved in some kind of work, remodeling, fixing, whatever. So he would probably enjoy something like this, but anyway. I'm reframing the bottom part of a basement that I built in 2006. The basement got flooded, and trying to save on some lumber, so what they had to do was cut a couple feet up the wall and take all the 2x4s and the sill plates out, because they had to dig the whole entire edge of the basement out. So I'm replacing all that wood, putting a new seal plate in, and cistern on some new 2x4s. I built this basement in 2006, like I said, so it's been a while. This wall here I've still got to finish. Probably got another hour and a half on that. But the whole exterior of the basement was dug out, and they put these, basically they pin the wall. They sink these things down in the ground, concrete them in, and then they pin it right against the wall, and then they put these L brackets, these heavy steel L brackets against them. The idea is to keep the wall from moving inward any more than it already has. Big money he paid to have all this done. I'm not completely sold on this system, but it's just a way a lot of people choose to go. Unfortunate, I had to they lost some tile in the process. I built this fireplace in 2006 as well. So yeah, just all the way around the whole basement here. Got this side done. Didn't have to bump this wall out any, just repaired the wood. Unfortunately, on the other side where I just showed you, I had to bump out the wall because when they put these supports in, the drywall or whatever they choose to put up here wouldn't have cleared this plate. So just to get a nice clean finish, I bumped out the walls about 1.5 inches and reattached everything. Unfortunately, I had to take a lot of these top seals down too and recut them. But anyway, that's just what I'm up to. Hope everyone's well, and enjoy your day, and we'll talk again soon. Later.